Welcome back to Rick's YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clean your Xbox One S controller. So if you've got a problem with it ghosting or drifting, say you're in a game and it's looking to the left or moving to the left very slowly, this is a quick cure on how to stop that, and also it doesn't validate the warranty on the actual controller because we've not taken the controller apart. You'll need two things. You'll need some Q-tips or cotton buds, as we say in the UK here, and some cleaning solution, some rubbing alcohol, which is not going to affect the Xbox One controller because it evaporates. You can use soapy water, but you're going to have to make sure that you don't get that inside. So that's why you're using the Q-tip. So you just dip it into the solution and give it a quick clean. But remember, if you're going to use soapy water, let the controller dry in some sunlight for about 6 hours so all the moisture soaks up from inside. With alcohol, rubbing alcohol, it evaporates near enough straight away. So how I cure the ghosting for my Xbox One S controller. So first off, get your cotton bud, Q-tip, whatever you want to call it. This is a spray rubbing alcohol, but I'm just going to take this off. I'm going to get the Q-tip, give it a good soak in. I'm going to get the Xbox One controller. I'm going to move the toggle to the side really hard and start cleaning inside it all the way around. I have actually done this last week, so it is going to be pretty clean. I'll get the other side, dip it into the alcohol, completely wiping the toggle. Same with the other one. Chuck that one away, dip it in solution, and that's it, guys. One completely clean Xbox One S controller that will not ghost or drift anymore in the game. So I hope that helps someone out. Remember to use rubbing alcohol. If you're going to use soapy water, give at least about 6 hours in sunlight and let your controller dry out. That's my quick fix on the Xbox One S controller. So please remember to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll get back to you with another video. Thanks for watching.